This is Helpscreen and this is how to cancel an impulse subscription. So this is a step-by-step guide, so simply follow along. So guys, first thing that you need to do is go to your device settings. And after that guys, you go ahead and tap on your Apple ID on the top of the screen right here. And then from there, you'll be able to go to this page and tap on subscription. So guys, over here, you will see all of your active subscription. So from here, you will also see the expired ones down below. And guys, also over here, you will see the dates for when the next payment is due to be taken from your account. So now guys, on the active subscription tab, you should see over there the application that you are subscribed with Impulse. And then just tap on it guys, and then from there you will see a cancel subscription option, and just tap on that, and then from there you will see confirm cancellation, and there you go. That's how you cancel active subscription. So guys, just simply follow the steps that I'm showing you on the screen and you should be able to do it successfully. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.